Hey everyone, it's Steve. Welcome back to Kettle Haven Ranch. In this video, we are going to winterize our 3-point sprayer. First, I want to give a quick introduction onto the sprayer. It is both a boom model, which does about 10 feet to 12 feet in that range of spraying straight down, or I can change it over to boomless, getting out to about 18 feet, spraying to the sides. So you can't do both at once. You have to depend on the weather conditions and what you're spraying on how wide a pattern you want to do. So we have two different sets of nozzles we've got to worry about. The nozzles that are coming off the boom sprayer and the nozzles coming off the boomless sprayer. Honestly, they should be replaced every couple years. They are going to wear out with use. And I do a real simple thing so I can find them in the spring. Yeah, old marshmallow container here. We're going to just go ahead and pull those off. I won't do all of them because the video length. But you will have not only the nozzle and the nut. Don't forget your filter. Filter's got to come out there too. So we'd have 4 of these on the boom. And then, I'll reach over here, we'll have the same thing, just in reverse. The filter goes in on the boomless. So we'll get those out of there too. Okay, you're going to want to do about half a cup of your container, I should say, full of the antifreeze. Slide it down into the tank, get it as plumb as possible as you can down there. And go ahead and turn on your pump, and it's fine to run it, should be fine to run it, unless your manufacturer says otherwise. A little dry. And then we'll go ahead and suck up some of the antifreeze, and as it sucks up the antifreeze, it pushes out water from the nozzles. If you want to move all the way down, go ahead and just plug whatever nozzle is going. And I'm sort of stuck there. I've used all mine for the second. Let's fill it back up. You can see that I got some water out and I got the antifreeze out. Started coming out. So you're going to fill your little cup about 3/4 of the way. You're going to slide it into the tank without spilling it like I just did the last one. Magic of editing. And we're going to open up our spray nozzles so the antifreeze will circulate all the way through there. And then we're going to take our pickup, slide it into the cup. The vacuum is going to draw. Okay, as the pump draws off of that cup, we'll start seeing if we get antifreeze coming out, which is what we want to do. And the pump will draw down, fill up with the antifreeze. That'll exclude all the water, fresh water from the line, and that pump is now protected. Just that little bit of work. These pumps aren't that big a volume, not in this size sprayer. If you're dealing with a larger sprayer, one that takes either hydraulics or it takes a PTO, you got to do it a little differently because you're working with the tractor itself. It has to be on and running, and you have to select the proper accessory to work. But it's the same process. You're going to want to get your antifreeze into the system, hopefully without filling up your whole tank, and you want to stop it so that you have plenty left in the pump. It's displaced any water that's in there and displace what's out in the lines. So we have this set up. I'm pretty confident in the spring we go to hook this back up and do some spraying. That'll be a real simple procedure to do, and we'll be out killing weeds. Hey, well, I hope you like the content. And like and subscribe, pass along to a friend if you need to, if they have their 3-point sprayer that needs to be winterized. And check out our playlist. Sure appreciate it. Everyone, take care, stay safe.